Are you a landlord in Washington, D.C.? If so, then you'll need to obtain your basic business license. In this video, we will walk you through the 5-step process of obtaining a BBL for your rental property. As a landlord in D.C., you need to ensure that you're in compliance with city regulations regarding your rental. In their eyes, you're operating a business and therefore need to obtain a basic business license, or BBL for short. In Nomadic Real Estate, we guide you through the process of obtaining your BBL from start to finish. To start off, you need to file what's called an FR 500 with the Office of Tax and Revenue, which registers your home with that agency for tax purposes. This can be done online on their website and takes about 5 minutes to complete. Go to taxpayerservicecenter.com, then click FR 500 New Business Registration and complete the required fields. Once you've completed the FR 500, next is the license itself. The agency that oversees business licensing and property rentals in the district is called the Department of Consumer and Regulatory Affairs, or DCRA for short. To start the licensing process itself, you'll need to go to DCRA's website and register for an online account. You will need to navigate to mybusiness.dc.gov and click Get Started. Once you have set up your online account with DCRA, you can select New Business License and go through the questions and prompts, which are self-explanatory and user-friendly. For your initial license, you do have the option to select a 2- or 4-year licensing term, the price being either $198 or, for the 4-year, $291.50 for a single-family home. But after the initial term expires, you can only renew at 2-year intervals. Finally, you file with the Rental Accommodations Division, or RAD for short, as either a rent-controlled or rent-control-exempt property. Rent control primarily applies to owners with 4 or more rental units within DC, or for those who have registered their license under an LLC. When you file, you will receive either a RAD registration number or a RAD exemption number. These are important when filing for rent control increases every year, or in the event you need to serve a tenant notice in a landlord-tenant case. If you have questions about rent control laws in DC, we'll be happy to help. For more information regarding rent control, you can visit dchd.dc.gov to access all rental accommodations forms. After the licensing paperwork is done, you'll have to call DCRA to set up your proactive safety inspection. This ensures that your home is in compliance with DC's Building Maintenance Code and is safe to rent out to tenants. Common examples of needed repairs include hardwired smoke detectors, railings for stairs greater than 3 steps, and single-cylinder locks for all entry doors. Nomadic can help you navigate the inspection process and ensure your home is fully compliant with DC code requirements, and if any repair work is needed to meet code, we're happy to help with that as well. And that's it! You're now a licensed landlord in the district. At Nomadic, we're more than happy to take care of this process for you as part of our property management services. Please reach out to Nomadic Real Estate at any time to learn more.